Hello everyone, this is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar, and Assemblies of God, Asafu, Ayewo, Kumasi Bohyen, Adamanu, Atimi, military people, I could see suffer. If you don't want to call this is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time coming across in this channel on your phone, don't forget to join, subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Let me take you through the news. Assemblies of God, Asafu, Ayewo, Kumasi Bohyen, Adamu. This church na omo a pastor and then universe of no, they cannot be in one place forever. You spend some years at some certain congregation and then you'll be transferred to another location. And this happened in Assemblies of God Church where Bohyen Adamanu. The people weren't happy about the new pastor coming in, so we decided to say we protest. We don't like him. You better demonstrate to show the leaders. In the church, say the old pastor that's left is a good man of God, and then we love him so much. We don't want any new pastor to come in. Okay, I'm not having penny fantasy. All right. As I don't know, I become mighty. As for bow, you are coming to show us what we should do. Say again, Yamia. Come, but no, say, what are you guys talking about? We are in the power. It's the Assemblies of God. Bohyen Adamu company for a regional leader. Our Assemblies of God. Kumasi. I say one tiasi. Or the soften number. Opo. Soften number. Ye be sino. As a phonum. Our Kumasi Bohyen Adamanu. And I'm going to say, I see and I'm going to go machine house and I'm not say so for no for the human room. And now, penny careful. Hello, Mr. IGP, you day? Una day, make una come. I'm purposely full military. I say just for an audio maba. Say, Jama. Hey, when do you mean the agro? When you mean? Get out there. And I with me the military people a buy. And will be seized of phone. So one tiasia. Obechra Amiaka. Wati. Mammy, Messianimu. Skakram be ye my boss of Masafana costume to the soft bars. Who are you? Yam some Yamiasi when I bet you be you. And the military people I be suffer. Away your Bohyen Adamanu, Assemblies of God. We now hear the sofa every missing house. Send you your payama, you're so for beside Baufi. Ma, one I bet to get gilly. Yes, it's soft. Mammy, Messianimu. Hey, this country. You can see some certain videos and I feel like it's not true. I'm not lying. This video is the video that shows that the people weren't happy about the incoming pastor, so they decided to protest against him. Say, yeah, we don't need him. Yeah, from. When you pay so many money or a new pastor coming in, I think they loved the old pastor who was leaving, and then they don't want a new pastor. Old pastor now. Once you come, you spend the years that you were given at that location, you have to be sent for another pastor to come in. That is how it works. And I don't see how the reason why they are protesting. Don't forget to also leave your comments in the comment section. Was they were they right to protest against the incoming pastor, or you feel like okay, there are some certain things that they should do rather than protesting? Because I read through some of the comments that was under the video, and then it was like, Adi, okay, as a for no, yes, it's often as a wedding you want. Sunday, don't go to church. You feel me? And then the leaders will see that okay, as a for man, so what? That means the pastor no. When you do and the people are not really happy with the new pastor. So I'm 10 years no sana amana kwana for fraba. But you protesting that you don't need him. I mean, I would not say it doesn't make sense, but in your opinion, you can describe it how you want it to be. But Charlie, this is how it went. I'm not sure I'm saying with the agro. Sunday, once I'm master, the person that's used for some fee, feeding my son money in a fee. Sanity, Assemblies of God, branch or Bohyen Adamanu, and I do we see all. This is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. Don't forget to leave a comment, share this video, and join this amazing family. See you in our next episode of videos.